CNC Cutting and Milling Machine Center. It offers ultimate flexibility in both machining and cutting of aluminum and UPVC profile. Standard with 14-axis servo motor and matching driver. The loading unit supports simultaneous configuration of 7 profiles, with expandable profile loading capacity customizable to customer requirements. The milling unit is engineered for milling and drilling operations on profiles, including hinge holes, lock body holes, handle holes, installation holes, water slots, and laser drilling. It comes standard with 3 servo motors and matching drivers, paired with a 4-axis spindle and 1 laser head, strategically positioned on the top, bottom, back, and front sides. The unit features automatic tool-changing functionality for enhanced efficiency. The saw unit is capable of cutting profiles with a 150 by 150 mm cross-section, equipped with 6 servo motors and dedicated drivers. A 600 mm diameter saw blade, servo-controlled for precision, offers rotational angles of -45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees to accommodate flexible cutting demands. It also integrates drilling functions for glue holes and corner kit holes, ensuring superior finishing quality of corner joints. The offloading unit controlled by servo motor controlled gripper with gently pulling out and positioned, with a minimum cutting length of 350 mm. The unloading unit realizes automatic conveying of finished products. It is integrated with an automatic labeling system, featuring a Honeywell industrial printer and a self-developed labeling mechanism, delivering reliable performance and long-term durability. 7 working direction from left to right, or as customer requirements from right to left is acceptable. 8 waste collection, as standard equipped with automatic chip removal machine, automatic collection of processing waste, and the site is tidier. 9 A fully enclosed cabinet design reduces operational noise and keeps the workspace tidy. An internal 360 degrees camera, paired with an external display, assists operators in monitoring the actual working conditions in real time. 10 The pneumatic, electric and mechanical protective devices ensure the safety operation in production. 11 It enables integration with Zeta window and door software for collaborative operation, while also supporting connectivity with major mainstream door and window ERP systems, thus realizing intelligent processing via scan gun scanning. 12 The system adopts a Windows-based operating interface, which is simple and intuitive, facilitating workers' usage and operation. 13 It is equipped with remote service capabilities, including maintenance, upkeep, and training, which saves service time, reduces downtime, and lowers the factory's reliance on skilled workers.